Hello, I'm Officer Lopez with QSPD. The reason I stopped your vehicle, you have a tag light out.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, and I'm very sorry.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Oh my goodness. All of this stuff is like kind of shoved in here in the back. I can give you all of my information or whatever, and I can try and look for it.
Do you have at least your registration or something with your name on?
Yeah, absolutely. Is it just a tag light out? That's it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Is it possible to just give me a warning? I don't know.
No, I still have to run the driver, the registration, and I have to see insurance information.
Okay. Can you give me a second, maybe, perhaps? Like...
Yes. Is there any weapon in the vehicle?
Come on, man. You think I would ever do anything?
7-3. Can I have another 43? Go ahead.
Why are you asking for another 43?
What's the problem?
I don't know. I'm just asking why you're asking for backup. Can I have an attorney or something? Is that what I need?
Well, what's going on? I need your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I understand.
And I need identification for the passengers as well. Okay?
Okay. Just to give me a ticket for the tag light.
I'm not saying I'm giving you a ticket.
Oh, okay. Do you mind like not shoving the light in my face? Cause
is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. You just seem a little aggressive. So
I'm not being aggressive. You are questioning everything I'm asking you.
No, I'm just making sure that there was no violation.
Okay.
I just got this car not too long ago. The insurance, here you go. What else do you need?
Your driver's license.
And that's it?
Registration and proof of insurance. What you gave me was the title.
Okay. I wasn't expecting this to happen, so.
Okay, it happens. It's fine.
Here's this. I don't know if this is one of the registrations.
Okay, at this point, step out because I don't know why you have in that bag and I don't like this, okay? For my safety and your safety, get your hands out of the bag, okay? Step out. Step out.
Okay.
Please come this way. Please stay right here.
What tag light is out?
Your tag light. You don't see it?
I really don't. I'm sorry. I just bought this car not too long ago. I'm sorry.
Okay, the tag light is out. You are required to have your registration illuminated and it has to be visible at least 50 feet away on the road.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Do you have any questions?
No, not whatsoever, no.
So I have your license.
And I just bought this car and I apologize.
And your insurance information.
Yes, and I am sorry.
What is your name again? What is your name?
Do you have my information right
What is your name? What is it? Is that your first name?
It's right here.
I'm asking you, your name. You don't know your name?
Of course I do.
Listen, whatever you have going on, can you have them step out, please? Why are you lying to me?
Like I said, I can get an attorney if there's an issue with this.
I don't understand why you are asking for an attorney. Why are you giving me a false name?
I didn't give you a false name.
So why are you giving me somebody's ID right now? Why are you giving me somebody's ID? I asked for your driver's license, not this person's driver's license. I don't know who this person is.
Okay.
Why are you lying?
You see, one thing that law enforcement officers or the police do not like is when you are trying to tell them what they are supposed to do. It's like you are teaching them their job. You want to tell them what they should do, not what they want to do. Before they will come to you, they have some information about you already. They know something about you. So don't try to lie. Don't try to lie. It's like you're trying to lie to them and they don't like it. Hide it or try to pretend as if the name is yours. They don't like it at all when you are trying to tell them what to do. They hate it. Don't try to impersonate. Don't try to be smart. They hate it. In fact, they hate it.